Did you know that over 1 million species are at risk of extinction? That's right. Our planet is losing its biodiversity at an alarming rate. Fact number 1. The Amur leopard is one of the rarest big cats, with only about 100 left in the wild. Fact number 2. The vaquita, a small porpoise, is critically endangered with fewer than 30 individuals remaining. Fact number 3. The Javan rhino is the most threatened rhino species with only about 6 left in Indonesia. Want to learn more about these amazing creatures? Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to learn more facts about animals.